Hi, it's Mary Jo for Off the Trails. We're in the Everglades today. Greg and our friend Dawn and I, and we're going to be taking a tour with our good friend Captain Judy Caseley of Everglades Boat Tours. Judy will be sharing her intimate knowledge of the Everglades with us. So why don't you come along as we enjoy the wildlife and the plants that are so beautiful in our national treasure, the Everglades.
If he flies off, get him flying. Yeah,
Here he is.
Awesome. I'm going to show you some more nests. Dives down. Look at her get pushed by the wind.
Pelican.
Get ready. Get that undercarriage up there really quick. Now it's back down. Just get ready to take off and push that water.
We're on Sandfly Island.
This isn't like this, so the sandflies, they're going to be biting you. This is, American Indians.
Mm-hmm.
It's all built of shell, just like Chokoloskee Island is made of shell. This is a cistern where they would collect their water. When I moved on to Chokoloskee, we also only got our water by cistern until we had to have city water because they condemned it. But this is where the old foundation was for the house. Actually, Bogus lived here, and this used to be, Wiggins used to have a trading post here also, but there were quite a few families. And another family, Taj Brown's wife lived here. So, Estelle Dimmer. So, she also lived in this island. So this was good getting some fresh water out of here. I've tasted it. It tastes very sulfury.
Mm-hmm.
We get a high tide in here. A riding camp here. Hi, how you doing? I have Off the Trails with me. You want to be in a the ibis.
Yeah. Were you communicating?
Up there, you're going to catch them feeding in at the top, so that'd be a good place to catch it. She's really going to town and cleaning herself. She looks like she's on the top of the mountain.
She does.
Oh, look at that's cool. At a lower tide, I got a power pole that I could stick right into the dirt.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at
Wow.
Back of herself. I love watching these things. She's a good mom. She knows to teach them not to squat. Just ignore them. Three different kinds of mangroves. Right over here we got the red mangroves. This is really the heart of the ecosystem, is the red mangroves. What happens is the leaves will fall down and they'll go into the water and they'll decay. And all the little shrimp, the sun's hitting me in the face, all the little shrimp and all the little fish will come up as it deteriorates and eat all of the, wait a minute, sorry. Those ibis are really shy. The brown ibis are the youngest ones, and the way you can tell between a male and a female ibis is the male has a longer beak. But they call those chocolates the chickens because that used to be their diet down here, was they ate those ibis.
Really?
And the brown ones, the youngest ones, were the more tender ones, so they like those. We're going to come back around in a minute, so let me try